Yeah, good evening everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use new superutilities org chart function, sorting an org chart by property. So you can use it actually. Suppose you already have an org chart diagram which was either created before by some import, right, or you just created it, yeah, manually, and you want to resort the employees on the card, right, by some property, say its name or something like that, or you linked your org chart to data, for example, right, and then the data changed and you want to resort it actually. So with a built-in solution of org chart there is no sort function like that, and so super utilities, you can find the link in the description, add this function. And with that, without further ado, let's go to it, right? Suppose you have some org chart here. I have specifically created a name here just to demonstrate it, right? You can see here B, C, D, A. They are short, so it's clear that it's sorted or not. Right now it's not. So here the name is B, right? And so I go to the super utilities function, then I open the org chart sort in here, right? And then I want to sort by, say, name, right? And I want to sort by default by ascending order. We will go to the option, a little bit further. Okay, so we sorting by name. I click OK. It's sorting, and now you have A, B, C, D. Yeah, that's it. If I want to sort, for example, by a phone, right, by a phone number, here you have it, like 3, 2, 4. Of course, they are not real. These are not real the phones, but just for demo. Okay, let's try it. Sort, and then I select the phone number, telephone. Yeah, boom, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. You can also sort, like children of the org chart. I mean, by default it sorts, right, only the level which is exactly below the selected one. So if I select the top level shape, right, only this level will be sorted. So the direct children, immediate children of that root items will be sorted. If you want to sort all the children, all the cards on the diagram layer, for example, this as well, right, this row as well. Yeah, now it's sorted already, but this one, now they're all sorted actually. So you need to actually select the corresponding layer, right? That's the first option, and then just run this function to sort. It will sort immediate children here. The sorting works by just shifting cards left, right, so it's not important if they're vertical, horizontal, or whatever. As long as this org chart function move works, it's using move to sort the diagram, then the sorting will also work. So anyways, let's try to sort this column, for example, right? And we sort it by the phone number, for example, right, vertically. Then we go here, sort org chart telephone number, and then just sort it, right? And then we have 1, 2, 3 sorted. Okay, to sort all the layers of the org chart, there is a checkbox on the options here, like recursive it's called, right? Recursive. So it will sort like first the grandchildren, then the children, and so on, like until it reaches the top level. So we can try, for example, sorting by name, right? And then we can check this recursive sort, right? And then we sort in descending order so that we can see that something is changed. Okay, I run it. It sorts the diagram, and now you have it in everything reversed. D, C, B, A, and here is a C, B, A, like that. Okay. It supports also multi-level sorting. So for example, if I start here, right, you can see there are departments. Here is some development department and the sales department, and then development, and then the sales again, right? So they're kind of interchanging, and we want them to be grouped. So I can sort first by the department right here. As the first property I can select the department, and then as a second property I can select the name. Sorry. And yeah, I don't want to recursive, I want just to sort ascending, and let's go, right? And here you go, basically. First you have the development department, because it starts with D, right? I mean, that's why it's coming first. And then you have B and D sorted alphabetically, just the names, as a second property. And then you have the sales thing. Okay, there is one more option actually to automatically run the layout after sort. That might be required actually for some complex cases. Yeah, let me try to open another diagram just to illustrate it, what it could be useful for. When, you know, moving up or left is not working as expected. Yeah. Here, for example, if I open this example, you might need to relay out the diagram in this case. I mean, yeah, some items might end up overlapping here. Yeah, here is an example of such a diagram. For yeah, you see it's like actually laid out like that: E, G, C, B, A. Like the children's are, you know, laid as a two-sided column. It's called a fishbone or something. Yeah. Okay. If I sort that, that would work. Yeah. Let me try. Okay. Then sort, and then I go ahead and second property I don't want, and the first one I think it is what is it? Like, I mean, so that we see it by name. It's a title, so I sort by title in here. Okay, I select the title in here, and then here I select nothing and sort in it. Right, that will resort the children, so it will be A, B, C, D, and so on. Right. The issue might be if you move, you know, to sort cards, it just swaps them using this functionality of org chart. Move left, move right. So for example here, if I move this card to the left, right, it will be okay. If I move this card more to the left, right, it will still be okay. But if I now move this card to the right, it will be overlapping, as you can see, right? And this is like built-in org chart functionality, not sorting. So by sorting it will be exactly the same. So you might want actually to relay out that thing after you sorted it. Yeah, I mean, it should not break the general layout, but in some specific cases it may. Yeah. So let me try. I mean, here for example I did it like that. Yeah, I can probably show run the whole thing, right? I'll just go to super utilities, sort by title, recurse, run relay out. Yeah, and it will be looked properly after that. Okay, sorry for the long video. I hope that was useful. Yeah, you can try it out. It's in version 3.9 here, right, which is in the beta release. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward for your feedback. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.